to deal with another part of first topic of BSc first year analytical chemistry, paper 101, optical and electrochemical methods. Analysis is based on the physical properties of a sample. Therefore, it is termed as physical analysis. It depends upon the instruments because we are doing the analysis by instruments, so they are also termed as instrumental method of analysis. A physical property of reacting substance, for example, the rate of hydrolysis of sugar is determined by polarimeter. This type of analysis of sugar is termed as physico-chemical methods of analysis. Optical method of analysis are based on the interaction of desired constituents with electromagnetic radiation. Remember the word optical analysis, it is based on the interaction of the desired constituents with the electromagnetic radiation. This involves absorption, rotation, or scattering of electromagnetic radiation, turbidometry, Raman spectroscopy, etc. Electrochemical method of analysis are based on relationship between electrical properties and chemical reaction. The word is electrochemical. It means that there is a relation between electrical properties and chemical reactions. It involves measurement of one or more fundamental electrical quantities like current, voltage, resistance, etc. The magnitude of the property measured can be related directly or indirectly to the concentration of chemical species subject to analysis. We have conductometry, potentiometry, polarography, voltammetry, amperometry, and calorimetry. In our lab, we have conductometry, potentiometry, polarography, pH metries, etc. Measurement of an electrical property of a system are made function of time. It is the measurement of electrical property. This is used to determine the end point of the titration. This includes potentiometric titration, in which change of potential of an indicator electrode in combination with suitable reference electrode. Whatever the results you have to compare it with the reference electrode, or there is a combination of the electrodes. Conductometric titration, in which the change in resistance or conductance of a solution followed during the course of titration, such as heat of reaction. This is the property: heat of reaction, magnetic susceptibility, dielectric constant, radioactivity, etc. Even there is an analytical tool developed on the basis of heat of reaction. They are thermometric titration and thermogravimetric titration. This is all about